Hey, hi, this is Abhishek. Previously, I created one root domain controller and 120.25 member server. And this in this video, I will describe how to set a desktop wallpaper through a group policy. So, first, in this my program file C under C drive, I created one FTP folder and I kept one wallpaper to this hello world wallpaper I kept under program files FTP folder, and this folder already I shared. See, go to the sharing. Yeah, sharing AWS user and user one already it having the read write permission, and the folder has been shared already. Now I am opening group policy management console. I created one test OU and it's linked with one group policy. Now I am editing this group policy. Under user configuration, there is one option policies, and under policies, there is one option administrative template, and here is one option desktop. Under desktop, you have one option desktop wallpaper. Yeah, previously I set one different wallpaper. Okay, so now I am setting another wallpaper to reflect it. Okay, so this wallpaper I am going to set through group policy. This wallpaper 2. Okay, and path is C colon FTP, C colon FTP, and IP address is 1.1 FTP wallpaper dot jpg, but name is wallpaper 2 dot jpg. So I am applying. Okay, so policy are currently created and linked with this test OU. This test OU is containing that particular user named AWS and GCP. Okay, now I am going to that particular member server. Previously, I said this wallpaper. Set this wallpaper. So CMD GPA update slash course. Hmm. Okay, now I am going to restart the server because it will take some time to reflect. So policy are currently applied on this membership server. So I'm just checking it is reflecting over there or not.